that he must withdraw the case or otherwise his life will be difficult. Then at that moment, they called the IO that we are with the complainant here. He says he wants to withdraw the case. Can we meet at Leboagomo police station? He agreed under duress. Then went to Leboagomo police station. Then they spoke with IO that he submitted a withdrawal statement. And recently I made a contact with him. He narrated everything that it was not his intention to withdraw the case, but he felt that if he's going to testify against the bail applicant, his life will be in danger.
You confiscated a firearm at some point in time from the bail applicant. All other offenses that follows, they still involve the use of a firearm. Now, what worries me, officer, is that notwithstanding the fact that this bail applicant is out on bail and is linked to these other violent offenses, that no application for cancellation of bail is done. Can you please shed light insofar as that is concerned?
For a long time, government officials, they were helping or fueling the behavior of the bail applicant. He knew that he will commit, he will get protection, the case will be cancelled, some cases will disappear. He continued.
Chances of Ushebeshet getting out of jail are too slim. Too slim. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Ushebeshet was back at court today, and the investigator mentioned so many things that might make Ushebe stay in prison behind bars. So it happened Uguti the time Ushebeshet got a bail application for the first time before Abuyele Jele. Ushebeshet went to the victim and told the victim Uguti if ever they don't withdraw a case, their life will be in danger. That's what he said, allegedly. And Ushebeshet's lawyer then said, okay, fine. If ever you know you have cases, made an example, guys. If ever you know you have cases and then you go out there, you still threaten the same person, Omnimazili, don't you think you'll go back to jail? Asking the investigation officer whether in that way Ushebe connected to politicians, and this is not the first time Ama case about withdrawn. Ushebe is part of the people Apapatala Mapoisa was Ama case about withdrawn, and third then Ama victim. So some of the fans are saying, Iso no, let's pray for Ushebe, they're making his life difficult. Some of the fans are saying there's a victim esbedlela. Do you understand a person who is in ICU who's fighting for their lives? And then when a person goes out on a bail, he still threatens the same person who's out withdraw a case. So we all don't know. We're just waiting for Vumela bail or Abamvumeli. But according to the way things are, I don't think Bazumvumela bail. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated.